Okay, so what is that? Suppose that we want to buy a computer from one maker, like A1 and A2, and what they mention. Suppose also that those makers have 12 and 18 different models respectively. Suppose like a Dell company is there, and then other one is like Lenovo, something like that. They are making of the soft laptops and computers and all, and they have different kind of models over there. i3, i4, i5, something having different features of every company. Suppose A1 is Dell and A2 is Lenovo, something like that. So A1 is making 12 and A2 is making 18 different models respectively. So how you are going to modelize this all together, and how to choose from that? So we can choose 12 models from A1 and 18 from A2. Then there is all the combinations will be 12 plus 18, 30 models to choose from.
30.
Yeah. Okay. Again, the addition principle is that choosing one from given models of either make is called an event, and other choice for an either event is called as outcomes of that event. Okay, does the event, if I'm going to event does the event selecting one from any makers, then the just like here example given, A1 मधनं फक्त आपल्याला 12 आउटकम मिळतात असा त्याचा अर्थ झाला. So either and or, this kind of things, and or means addition, you just remember it. Okay, so it's this portion I downloaded somewhere from other authors, and I take it in my existing notes. Okay, then again they have mentioned this one yesterday. I think yesterday we discussed about this exclusive means both cannot happen simultaneously. Again, someone have give the idea about it. Let A1 and A2 are disjoint events. Okay, let A1 and A2 be disjoint events, that is events having no common outcomes with N1 and N2 possible outcomes. Then the total number of outcomes of the event A1 or A2 is N1 plus N2. म्हणजे ते दोन वेगवेगळे डिसजॉईंट इव्हेंट्स आहेत, त्याच्यात नो कॉमन आउटकम्स आहेत, आणि त्याचे पॉसिबल आउटकम्स N1 आणि N2 रिस्पेक्टिव्हली आहेत. म्हणजे A1 चे N1 आणि A2 चे N2. Then the total number of outcomes will be A1 or A2, that is N1 plus N2. So again, this generalization principle, yesterday we discussed about it, and this generalization principle I mentioned in other way also. Some author have mentioned this kind of things, that A1, A2 up to AK is disjoint events with N1, N2, NK possible outcomes respectively. Events and त्याचे outcomes. Then the total of outcomes for the event A1 or A2 or up till AK is N1 plus N2 plus NK. म्हणजे एक A1 चे समजा N1 आउटकम आहे, A2 चा हा समजा N2 आउटकम आहे, AK चा हा समजा NK पॉसिबल आउटकम आहे. तर सर्वांचे मिळून जे आउटकम होतील, एक तर A1 चे और A2 चे और AK चे, ते सर्व टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम राहतील N1, N2 अप टू NK. हा त्याचा अर्थ झाला. ठीक आहे, सिंपल भाषेत अजून आहे. त्यानंतर एक काही एक्झाम्पल, अजून एक म्यूट करून टाका प्लीज तुमच्याकडनं. अजून एक मोर एक्झाम्पल मधून मी टाकलं. सपोज देर आर 5 व्हेज डिशेस अँड 8 नॉन व्हेज डिशेस. हाऊ मेनी सिलेक्शन डज द कस्टमर हॅव? In this event, selecting a dish of either kind, there are 5 outcomes for the veg and 8 outcomes for the non-veg. So 5 plus 8, 13 possible outcomes of the selection of the process. Now again, yesterday we discussed about the multiplication or sequential rule. What is that first one? What? That disjunctive rule, addition principle. This is the multiplication sequential. Yesterday we discussed about this one. I download something new about that. A1, A2 with the events. A1, A2 with the events with N1 and N2 possible outcomes respectively. Then the total number of outcomes for the sequence of 2 of events is N1 into N2. N1 गुणिले N2 हा त्याचा अर्थ झाला. म्हणजे एका ठिकाणी प्लस आहे, एका ठिकाणी दोघांचा गुणाकार आहे, पण या दोघांच्या याच्यामध्ये हा सिक्वेन्शियली सायमल्टेनियसली आउटकम हे होत राहतात. त्याच्यात आयदर ऑर हे होत राहतात. या दोन गोष्टीचा त्यात थोडासा फरक आहे. Okay, then I think again, in other words, we discuss about this. If an event occur M way and corresponding to each occurring this event in other way, that is N way, independent of the first, then the number of ways of happening both the events simultaneously or sequentially is M into N. तसा अजून एक अदर वर्ड्सची डेफिनेशन जी आपण बघितल्या होत्या अदर वर्ड्सच्या त्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये पण हे ऍड केलं. ओके, I think someone is waiting. Admit all. Bhavesh Shingre and Vijay is waiting for that. Please wait. Okay. They are waiting that I'm giving the admission to the so that they can join over here. Notification is coming every time for that. Okay. So total 18% right now, including myself. That means 17 are there. Yesterday, yeah. So in other words, if an event occur in M way and a corresponding event which occur in this event, another event can occur in N ways, then the independent of the first one, then number of ways of happening both the events simultaneously or sequentially is M cross N. Yesterday we discussed about how many ways to select a captain and vice captain. Suppose I have 11 players and I have to choose one captain and another vice captain. So if I am going to choose any captain from 11 players, then I have 11 ways. After selecting the captain, how many remains player? 10 players remain the vice captain. Selecting the vice captains, remaining 10 players happening in 10 ways. The total number of ways of selecting captain and vice captain both is 110. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about the generalization of this event of principle of this, and other definition is let A1, A2, AK be the events. This one. Outcomes, then the total number of outcomes of the sequence, this K events is N1 into N2 until Nk. So here multiplication arise. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about again that the number of letters, alphanumeric characters also, and I download some other more example again from that websites and other ebooks and all. Suppose there are 3 major auto routes from Washington DC to Chicago and 5 from Chicago to Los Angeles, and then there are 3 into 5, 15 major routes from Washington DC to Los Angeles. What is DC means? District of Columbia. It is named as DC means District of Columbia. Washington is the capital of United States, but it is also mentioned as Washington DC. That means District of Columbia. Suppose there are 3 major routes from Washington DC to Chicago and 5 from Chicago to Los Angeles. Then there are 3 into 5, 15 major routes from Washington DC to Los Angeles. This is a solved example. You can say it. Then suppose there are 4 uppercase letters are used for labels. Then 26 into 26 into 20, because 26 are alphabets. So different labels are 4, 5, 6, 9, 7, 6 different labels are possible. Okay. And then they have mentioned like suppose that no letters can be duplicated in a label, then the first letter of a label can be selected from all 26 letters. The second letter, however, must be selected from the 25 letters. Okay. Suppose we have to choose that there is no letters from the duplicate levels of the labeling over there. So I will choose first letter from 26 letters and the second letter from the remaining 25 letters, because one letter already been selected for the first position. Okay. What is that? Because the one letter has been already selected for the first position and that letter cannot be used for second position. So it should not be duplicated for that. So similar third letter is now selected from the remaining 24 letters and the fourth letter from remaining 23 letters. Okay. So what is that they are mentioned over here? Suppose we have to choose 4 different labels for that. Then I have to altogether is 26 into 25 into 24 into 23. These are the different possible labels exist over there. Okay. This is a simple example related to that. Okay. Then again, one more example they are mentioned. The number of subsets of finite sets can be computed using the multiplication principle. Suppose n be the size of set A, and A is subset of A can be constructed by selecting elements of A, and that is for the subset say B of A. Each element of A is either selected or not selected into B. In this case of selecting and not selecting elements of the event. Thus there are n events and each event has 2 possible outcomes. Applying the multiplication principle of 2 to the power n subsets of A, that is a kind of different scenario you will get it. Okay, then I mentioned some other book also. This is something different. Lawrence Maths, the website over there. The addition principle of counting dimension. This is kind of definition again. So if you go into the every kind of books or ebooks over there, every author having a similar kind of definition of representing, maybe the definition of it's slightly 20-30% changes, but the main the motto or the main idea about it, what is addition of principle? What is that? Counting sets of A1 and A2 are disjoint events having no common outcomes, with N1 and N2 are possible outcomes. Then outcomes of the event A1 or A2 is N1 plus N2. They have mentioned again one example of that. 4 red and 6 green marbles are placed in a bag. How many marbles are there to choose from? Marbles peoples means छोटे छोटे दगड असतात ना आपले ग्रीन आणि रेड कलरचे, समजा 4 रेड कलरचे 6 हिरव्या कलरचे आपले छोटे छोटे मार्बल्स आहेत आणि ते मार्बल्स आपल्याकडे चूज करायचे आपल्याला असतील. Since the red and green marbles cannot be chosen together, what is the answer? Since the red and green marble cannot be chosen together or at the same time, okay, or at the same time, then the possible outcomes are added together. So the 4 plus 6, 10 marbles to be choose from that. This is a simple example for related to it. Then again they have mentioned if you have a multiplication principle, is the multiplication principle of counting states if there are m choices in one category and n choices in another category, then m cross n possible out choices. Okay, so they give the example like if you have 3 types of meat to make a sandwich. In America, they are eating different kind of meat like turkey, the roasted beef and ham, something like that. So they are making the 3 types of meat to make a sandwich and 2 types of bread. Just hold on, I get a call from somewhere. Hello. Good morning. Lecture घेताय सर. बोला सर काय? बरं ठीक आहे सर. ओके. फेस ट्रेनिंगचा ना ते दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. मी त्यांच्यासोबत बोललो बरेचदा. त्याच्या काय म्हणे की सर ते इंजिनिअरिंगचे विद्यार्थी जरा पुढे जातात म्हणे, आम्हाला त्यातलं काही पहिले समजतच नाही म्हणे. त्यांच्याकडे मॅथचं ते बसवर एवढा दोनदा तीनदा सांगून झालं सर, तरी ते विचार करतच नाही. आता काय म्हणावं सर, यांना तर सांगून आपण, म्हणजे मी पर्सनली पण फोन केला तर आला तरी का. मी बोलून बघतो सर त्यांच्यासोबत. Sorry, I get a call from your.
Hello.
Yeah, I get a call from.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I have some doubts, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in red and green marble, why we are not using multiplication?
Okay.
Yeah, this example.
आता त्याच्यामध्ये सांगितलं आहे की तुमच्या बॅग मध्ये 4 रेड आणि 6 ग्रीन मार्बल आहे. आणि तुमच्याकडे किती टोटल मार्बल्स आहेत तुमच्याकडे? हाऊ मेनी क्वेश्चन काय, हाऊ मेनी मार्बल्स आर देअर टू चूज फ्रॉम? तुम्हाला 10 आहेत ना, मग तुम्हाला कुठले एक शोधायचं आहे. प्रश्न प्रॉब्लेम कसा आहे, आपण हा प्रश्न बघायचा पाहिजे. प्रश्न काय तो वाचणं फार आवश्यक आहे. त्या प्रश्नाचा काय अर्थ आहे, तुमच्या हाऊ मेनी मार्बल्स आर देअर टू चूज फ्रॉम, तुमच्याकडे किती मार्बल तुम्हाला द्यायचे. आता हा एक सिंपल लॉजिकल प्रश्न आहे. 10 आहेत. हे थोडस प्रश्न वाचताना 4-5 वेळा वाचलं तर मग थोडस समजतं आपल्याला नेमकं आपण काय म्हणताय. Okay, so then again they have mentioned this example for multiplication rule. How we to make a sandwich and 2 types of bread. How many different sandwiches with one kind of meat can be created? So they have mentioned this kind of this is the meat and the bread are the combined to make a sandwich. the number of outcomes are multiplied. Since there are 3 types of meat and 2 types of bread, so 3 into 2, 6 different sandwiches can be created. They are mentioned over here. Okay, then yesterday we, I think, discussed about that simple example of this. If I have a 2 t-shirts and 4 pairs of jeans, how many different combinations we can choose from there. Okay, we discussed this about it. So 2 into 4, 8 possible outcomes. Suppose I have this is a pair of cloths I have available. That 8 possible combinations can be generated without repeating to each other. Means suppose one day I will use this white t-shirts with this long jeans and this white t-shirts with this tight or something low waist jeans. The other day I will choose with this white t-shirt with short jeans and this white t-shirts with this Bermuda kind of jeans. Yesterday we discussed about it. Again, this another outcome like from black t-shirts and with similar kind of jeans over there. So 8 possible outcomes I can choose from here. And multiplication rule in general, they mention, suppose that event E1 can result any one of the n of E1 possible outcome, and for each outcome of the event E1 there are n E2 possible outcome from event E2, then together we will have n1 into n2. That means n of E1 into n of E2. That means outcomes are n of E1 and outcome is n of E2. So I'm going to multiply that two events. And it counting probability and usually requires for us to multiply. And हा जो शब्द आहे हा आपण त्याच्यात वापरतो बरेचदा. Okay. And another one they mention in our example above, n of E1, that means 2, since we had only 2 t-shirts. N of E2, that means 4. Then we have only 4 jeans. Okay. So what is n of E1 here? It is one of the outcome. म्हणजे माझ्याकडे 2 टी-शर्ट्स आहेत आमच्याकडे अवेलेबल. त्याचा आउटकम म्हणजे मला त्याच्यातून 2 वेळा ते घालता येतात, ते म्हणजे 2 गोष्टी घालता येतील त्या. And त्यानंतर then we have how many pairs of jeans? 4. So outcome is what? What is outcome? Then 4 pairs of jeans. Okay. So n of E1 and n of E2. Then there is a combination of both the multiplication of both outcomes, that is 2 into 4 equal to 8. Okay, then they have again another question. What is the total number of possible outcome when a pair of coins is tossed? जेव्हा आपण टॉस करतो तेव्हा काय पॉसिबल आउटकम्स मिळू शकतो. So what is how many there when a pair of coins, म्हणजे माझ्याकडे 2 coins आहेत. Okay. The toss first coin, the 2 outcomes, and toss the second coin, that means again 2 outcomes. That means head and tail नसतं ना त्याच्यामध्ये. So they are independent since neither toss affected the outcome of the other toss. So n of E equal to n of E1 into n of E2. So 2 into 2, the 4 outcome. That means head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. Okay. Then again, they have mentioned another example like the life insurance policy of an insurance company are classified by age of the insured, under 25 years, between 25 to 50 years, and over 50 years. Then they have mentioned gender, that means sex. Then they have mentioned marital status, single or married. So what is the total number of classification over here? If you read this question in a proper way, so what is that? E1, age of insured. 3 ages are division there. Under 25, 25 to 50, and above 50. So how many divisions of age divided over there? Okay. So how many ages are there? Under 25, between 25 to 50, and over 50 years old. So the ages are 3 age division. Now here comes sex or gender kind of, you can look at. So 2 possible outcomes, that is male and female. Now marital status, 2 again possible outcomes, either he is unmarried or married, that means single or married. So 2 events again. So n of E1 is 3, n of E2 is 2, and n of E3 is again 2. So how many outcome, independent outcomes, each event having n of e1 into n of e2 n into n of e3. That means 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. This is answer from there. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे समजा एखाद्या इन्शुरन्स पॉलिसीत आणि 3 गोष्टींमध्ये क्लासिफाय केल्या. एज 3 प्रकारची कॅटेगरीज आहेत, मॅरिटल स्टेटसचे 2 कॅटेगरीज आहेत आणि जेंडरच्या 2 कॅटेगरीज आहेत. ह्या सगळ्या आउटकम्स झाल्या, ह्या टोटल 12. हा त्याचा अर्थ झाला. समजतंय का तुम्हाला मी जे काही सांगतोय?
Yes sir.
ओके. नाव आता आपला परत तो एक एक्झाम्पल जो परत क्लॉजचा होता, पॉसिबल अबो दिस इज अ 4
आवाज येत नाही मधून.
अच्छा, तो परत एक क्लॉजचा प्रॉब्लेम होता. त्याच्यामध्ये फाउंड दॅट 3 कॅप्स वी कुड विअर, 2 टी शर्ट्स, 4 पेअर ऑफ जीन्स, आणि त्यांनी अजून एक नवीन गोष्ट टाकली त्यामध्ये कॅप्स. हाऊ मेनी डिफरंट कॉम्बिनेशन कुड बी आउटकम फ्रॉम दॅट? सो व्हॉट वी फाउंड 3 कॅप्स, 2 टी शर्ट्स and 4 पेअर ऑफ जीन्स. Here again the same example over here. A diagram looks like this. White shirt, pant, आणि ही एक टोपी आहे, आपल्याकडे कॅप आहे. गेट इट? परत ह्या 3 विविध प्रकारच्या आहेत. मग त्याचे आउटकम्स काय आले? सो वी हॅव 2 choices in the first row, 4 in the second, and 3 in the third row. So what are the possible choices are? N of E is N of E1 into N of E2 and N of E3. Okay? Get it? मी तिसरं कॉम्बिनेशन N of E3 लिहायचं विसरलो इथे लिहायला असं, 2 into 4 into 3, 24 कॉम्बिनेशन, बिकॉज N of E3 is 3. ओके. अजून एक एक्झाम्पल याच्यामध्ये सांगितलं. नोट, पिक एनी वन ॲटम. सपोज 3 पेन आणि 2 मार्कर आहेत आपल्याकडे. कुठला एकही गोष्ट एक निवडायची असेल तर व्हॉट इज पॉसिबल वे? सपोज 3 पेन P1, P2, P3 आणि 2 मार्कर M1, M2, हे 2 मार्कर झाले. ओके. ऑर ऑपरेशन 3 + 2 वे इक्वल टू 5 वे. Okay, any one atom, you have to pick any one atom from there. Okay, pick 1 pen and 1 marker. So P1 is pen, P2 is also pen, P3 is also pen. Okay, so M1, M2, these are 2 markers. For P2 again M1, M2, and for P3 also again M1, M2. So 3 pens and 2 ways, this is 6 ways, and this is a AND operation. Okay, get it? So this is P1, P2, P3. If I have to select any one up from there, either we will select 3 + 2 here, get it, 5 way, and here 3 into 2 is 6 way, and operation equal is multiplication symbol. Okay. Fundamental of this again counting principle they mention. If there are m ways to do one thing and n ways to do another, then there are m1 to n ways of doing the both the things. They mention so many different authors mention the definition for that. Okay, and again example using the counting principle. This is, let's say that you want to flip a coin on a roll or die. Then there are 2 ways to that you can flip the coin, and 6 ways to that you can roll a die. Die म्हणजे आपलं ते सापशिडीसाठी लुडो मध्ये खेळत होते. बरोबर, करेक्ट. मी तेच म्हटलं, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की थोडस. तर हे 12 पॉसिबल वेज आहे कॉइन आणि रोल अ डाय साठी. ओके. अगेन दे आर आस्किंग अपग्रेडिंग द सिस्टम फॉर मी बिकॉज 10 minutes remain over here. Okay. So what is a flipping a coin and a roll of die for that? कोणी माझ्या सिस्टमला काही हे करताय का? मला असं वाटलं कोणी. अच्छा, okay. Let's say if you want to hit one note on a piano and play one string on a banjo, then there are 88 into 5, 440 ways to do both the things. I don't know about this piano and banjo, how many notes are there, but they have mentioned this, both the things can be done from there. Then there is example, if you want to draw 2 cards from the standard deck of 52 cards without replacing them, then there are 52 ways to draw a first and 51 ways to draw another one. Then total number is 2652 ways to draw the 2 cards. म्हणजे आपल्याला समजा 2 पत्ते काढायचे आहेत आपल्याला, तर आपल्याला पहिल्याच्या शेअरिंगच्या वेळेस 52 चान्सेस आहेत आणि एकदा आपण एक चूज करून ठेवला, फर्स्ट चूज केला, तर आपल्याला रिमेनिंग साठी 51 वेज आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्यासाठी 52 into 51 2652 वेज टू ड्रॉ अ 2 कार्ड्स. ओके, हा त्याचा एक अर्थ झाला. त्यानंतर अजून एक काय म्हटलं, ए लिस्टिंग ऑफ ऑल द पॉसिबल आउटकम इज कॉल्ड सॅम्पल स्पेस and denoted by capital letter S. They have mentioned the sample space of flipping the coin or rolling the die are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. हे त्याचं झालं T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. तर टेल आणि हेड्स असं झालंय. त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी काय 12 possible ways show that there are 12 possible ways to do that. ओके, दोघांसाठी पण सांगितलं ते. याच्यात अजून काही काउंटिंग प्रिन्सिपलचे बरेचसे प्रश्न आहेत, म्हणजे जसं त्यांनी उदाहरणं दिलेले आहेत. आणि एक ऍडिशन प्रिन्सिपलसाठी ऑर प्रॉब्लेम्स आणि म्युच्युअली एक्सक्लुझिव्ह पाहिजे असं सांगितलंय, आणि त्याच्यासाठी मल्टिप्लाय करण्यासाठी कसं काय, आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशनचे काही एक्झाम्पल दिलंय. फ्लिपिंग द कॉइन, से पेनी, देन हाऊ मेनी आउटकम्स फ्रॉम द पेनी लँड्स. त्यानंतर इफ यू आर युझिंग ए डाईम, देन दे हॅव मेन्शन लायसन्स प्लेट नंबर, हा जो आहे ऑप्शन ते थर्ड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये लायसन्स प्लेट कसं काय. त्याच्यानंतर सपोज रूम हॅज 5 लॅम्प्स, एका रूम मध्ये तुमचे 5 लॅम्प आणि तुमचे ऑर्डिनरी ऑनर ऑफ कॅटेगरीज आहेत, तर त्या रूम मध्ये लाइटिंग करायची जी पद्धत आहे, त्या रूम मध्ये किती आउटकम्स निघतील ते त्याचं त्यांनी उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे. म्हणजे 5 लॅम्प आणि प्रत्येकाची आउटकम्स जे ऑन आणि ऑफ ही आहे, तर किती वेज ऑफ लाइटिंग ती रूम राहील त्याचा अर्थ दिलेला आहे. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये एक डान्स क्लास समजून घ्यायचं, मल्टिप्लिकेशन 10 मेन अँड 12 वुमेन आहे, तर हाऊ मेनी वेज कॅन दिस डान्स इन्स्ट्रक्टर चूज अ कपल टू डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट द फिक्स रॉट ऑर दॅट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. म्हणजे तो दोघां कपल्स मध्ये कसं बनवता येईल, किती आउटकम्स निघतील त्याच्यात त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. हे बरेचसे उदाहरण आहेत, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये सिंपल एक्झाम्पल त्यांनी दिलेले आहेत. ओके. Hello. Yes.
Sir, can you share this PDF with us? Because we are listening you, but we can't completely understand. As we can read it once, then we'll understand clearly.
माझं की नाही, PDF नाही, ही वर्ड फाईल आहे, आणि या वर्ड फाईल मध्ये खूप सारे मी चेंजेस करतोय सध्या. आपण याच्यातून काय करू, पहिल्यांदा मला माझे बनवू दे, एकदा ते चांगलं बनलं ना तर मी तुमच्यासोबत शेअर करणारच आहे. कारण त्याच्यामध्ये मी रोजचे चेंजेस करतोय, म्हणजे आज मी जे काही टाकतोय त्याच्यामध्ये परत मी अपग्रेडेशन मॉडिफिकेशन करतोय. ओके, आय थिंक एक मिनिट, आय थिंक आय शुड स्टॉप